Alright, hey everyone, we're going to go through our question 2D of the 2023 differentiation exam. It asks us to find the x value or x values of any points of inflection on the graph of the function f of x equals 3x squared. Is that a squared? Oof, my eyesight. X squared and an ln of x. So, pretty nice one, pretty straightforward this one, I'd say. Point of inflection, that happens when we have our second derivative, so a point of inflection. This occurs when the second derivative is equal to 0. So that is our work. We need to find the second derivative, figure out when that equals 0. That will be a point of inflection. So we'll just get straight into it. For us, our f of x looks like it is a a product rule. So it's a u and a v, and so our first derivative is going to be u dash v plus u v dash, using the product rule formula here. So in our case, u is 3x squared and v is ln of x, so our u dash is going to be 6x, and our v is ln of x, and our u is 3x squared, and our v dash, ln of x, that differentiates to 1 over x. So that's our first derivative. We might want to tidy that up just a tiny bit. 6x ln of x plus, and then 3x squared divided by x is just going to become 3x, I believe. Cool. And now we want to differentiate this again. We need the second derivative. So the second derivative, we're going to use the chain rule again. Why do I say chain rule? Product rule again for this one. 6x ln of x, so two different functions here. So we're going to use this exact same formula, u dash v. So u dash is going to be 6 times by v, which is ln of x, plus u v dash, which is 6x times by 1 over x, plus 3x differentiated, which is going to be just 3. So we end up with 6 ln of x. Again, 6x divided by x, that's just going to be 6. And we've got a 3 here. That 3 is me just differentiating this 3x. So these two is my product rule. This extra 3 is just this differentiated, separated by a plus here. So tidying that up just a tiny bit, we have got 6 ln of x plus 9. All right, so that's our second derivative, and then our point of inflection will happen when this is equal to 0. So now we're trying to solve 6 ln of x plus 9 equals 0, so we can have 6 ln of x is equal to negative 9. Move that 9 over. We can divide through by the 6 and end up with ln of x negative 9 over 6, which would simplify, divide them both by 3, negative 3 over 2. And our last step, to get rid of an ln, to solve for just x, if we have an ln, we need to use the inverse of ln, which is e. So we're taking e of both sides. So we end up with x is equal to e to the power of negative 3 over 2. Seems weird. That's actually our answer. You can put it in your calculator and get a decimal if you would like. They accept either the exact form, which is what we've got written here, or you could put negative 1.5 e to the negative that, which is 0.223 roughly. I always like to check the original question to see, did they ask for a coordinate or did they ask for an x value? So if we look back to the top of this, it's just asked for the x value. It's very, very good practice to go back to the question. If it asked for coordinates, I would then need to put this x value back into f of x to get the y value to give it as an actual coordinate. But we're done. That's all it asks for. Either one of those is fine to get your merit tick. Cool. Hopefully that was helpful. I'll catch you guys later.